like this Z train. I thought we might have had another train on main track 2 sneaking in down there. Let's take a look. Yeah, this is Z train, main track number 1, eastbound. A lot of multimodal FedEx in there and UPS and some other stuff. Yeah, there's that train. 1 lead locomotive. I saw that train earlier. It's got 1 lead and 1 trail, I think. Main 3 coming by. Let's go ahead and check that one out, I guess. I thought I heard a toot. I caught this train earlier too. This train was tied down forever at Blue Cut. What time you got free, dude? Yeah, remember me? And my dog? Yes, you do. Yeah, this train was tied down for the longest time. It was tied down in a weird spot. And it was going westbound. I didn't know which direction it was going. Finally, I got my car and I went to the other end of the train and there was no engine, so. Must have been going this way. This looks like it's going to Hobart, probably. Could be San Bernardino. Alright, buddy, got us a double combo here. Buddy's watching my back. This train was only a couple miles long. I think it was a Q train. Not positive though. I'll let you know when it finishes. Well, I came down just to catch a few trains today. I think I'm getting close to 15 now. Just one after another. Non-stop. I'm hungry. Yeah, I've been watching the videos. My vision is 20/20 now. I had my last surgery on last Thursday, a week from today. And they fixed me up. So I've got 20/20 in both eyes now. It's just amazing. I've never had good vision and it's really a miracle. I got it now. It's incredible to be able to see like this. So thanks for everybody that was always supporting us and wishing me good luck through my journey there. Life is a series of journeys, isn't it? Hopefully I won't have another journey here for another while and I can just have some fun. We're at Verdemont, about 73.6 where I'm standing. And it's a Z train. Kind of weird they tie down a Z train, but pretty sure it's empty. Springs are wide open. Of course they tied it down. Tie a train down for 2-3 hours. It's not very high priority. I got a feeling this one's going to San Bernardino. Main track number 3, westbound. All right, another double combo from Buddy. Appreciate you watching. Watch a couple more. Be subscribed to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. You know all that stuff I just went over before. Love you guys. Take care. Have a great weekend. Catch you in the next one.